From TCS MD and CEO and Chandrasekran. He was speaking with Reema and he said that the BFSI sector was facing softness and the margin growth continues to be robust. Take a listen.
No, it's so unusual because, as you know, for us, Q2 is always the strongest of quarters. We typically do better in Q2 than what we start the year within Q1. But during the last quarter commentary, we said that there are macro events and we could expect some softness, is what we had said. But basically, if you look at the revenue performance, there are three things I would like to point out. We cautioned that the BFSI sector is facing some softness, and it played out as we had anticipated. So we grew 1.2% in BFSI. But there are two other things that happened. We had a very surprise postponement of deals in India to the extent of about 180 crores. The good news is that it's not gone away, it will come, and it will come in Q3. And with regard to retail, we saw some softness. Again, it's spread across multiple situations, largely in the UK, some in US. That also caused the retail to be having a degrowth of 3% sequentially. So it's unusual in all the three counts because usually BFSI retail both will have a sequential growth from Q1 to Q2. The retail revenues will also come because they are all very much baked in. They are all transformation engagements. Some delays here and there. But some of it may not come in Q3, primarily because Q3 is seasonally a quarter in which retailers stay focused on holidays and execution in holidays and so on and so forth. Some of it may spill to Q4. But both of these headwinds are things that will become tailwinds as we go into the future. On a margin performance, it's been an exceptional quarter because we had many headwinds and very low growth. And we had currency. British sterling has weakened very, very sharply. And against that backdrop, we have delivered a margin performance of 26% to be in our range.